What's up, gang? How have you been? It's been quite a minute, like a long minute. You know what I mean? I'm so sorry. I've been out and about, trying to recover from work, trying to recover from everything else that I am required to do. As an adult, by the way, I am so mad. Why do we have to adult? And if you keep hearing the noise, please forgive me because this is an apartment and a lot is happening, so sorry. I'm really sorry. But yo, ebu tell me, how have you been? Nimeanza video na kwanza na my excuse now such and such. But really though, how are you doing? How is everything coming along? How is work? If you have a job, how is your family? How is your bae? How is your mama? How is your papa? How is everyone? How is everyone really? I hope that you guys are doing great. I'm here with yet another video of things that I am unlearning as an adult. And I feel like we should have been prepared for adulting. Like, school yetu. I mean, the school system has been rigged, walai. Like, what? Why is it so difficult? Like, why is adulting so hard? Like, why did my mother not prepare me for adulting? I am low-key mad at her. And the system, like, the system has been rigged or whatever. I want to remain a kid, walai. I may just want to remain a toddler who is just chilled, no stress, nini. Hey, no joy, by the way, I have neglected myself in terms of nini, self-care and such. Ebucheki, like, what is this? Vegero. One nail is even looking funny, guy. Vegero. But yo, what's up? So I want to know, what are the things that you are unlearning? Even before I begin my video, I'm here prepping for my friends. I'm not even gonna use a mirror. I should use a mirror so that I'm able to draw my eyebrows correctly. Square panicky clown. Like, I've been clowned enough in this life. Anyway, so I want to take my friend out for her birthday. Imagine she turned 30 and she was telling me how she was feeling all grossed out and stuff. She's turning 30. She has these things that she needed to have done in such and such an age and she has not done. And I watched another video. You remember that live for and Nani Jules, where they were saying how when you turn 30, it's a little, it's just something else. Something just happens in your life. And I think that's where she was. And I totally understand. So I'm here prepping, trying to take her for her 30th birthday. I mean, I want to celebrate her. She's been so instrumental in my life. She's been so amazing. She's one of those friends who are really, you know, like those people who you can count on in your life. Those people who you can count on in terms of good advice. She's such a gem. And I love her so much, so she deserves to be taken out. Anywho, so yeah, so that's why I'm here prepping for my friends' little get together birthday kind of thing. So I wanted us to talk about the things I am unlearning as an adult. Like, Aki, that noise is gonna annoy you. I'm so sorry. I hope it doesn't keep on popping. But you guys, do you notice the background? Gosh, we have so much to catch on. Have you noticed the background? Like, look at that. Look at that. A girl has a condo. A girl has a BNB. A girl is in business now. Gosh, I'm so excited. But you guys, I recently launched this place. It's gonna be a BNB. So I have been here over the weekend trying to prepare and get everything done in terms of the internet, just moving in, also trying to get amazing stuff for this place so that when someone comes, they can enjoy this space, which is literally home away from home. So guys, let me plug my business right here before we even get into the things that I am unlearning as an adult, because some of the things you may unlearn as an adult is linked to maybe this business that I'm trying to set up. So I'm grateful to God for this space, because I had been wanting a solid business and I didn't have the capital. Thank God for amazing parents in this world. And yeah, my mom came through for me and I was able to to set up this business, and I am praying so hard that everything works out, because this would be like a dream come true. You know, having a successful business, it takes a lot of your time, it takes a lot of money, it takes a lot of skill sets, it takes a lot of energy, it takes like a lot to have a business. You know, I've owned a business before and I've failed, and this was, at some point I was feeling a little maybe I shouldn't start this business. You know, I've done business before and I may fail. I don't know who I think I am to begin another business. But usiwache something like that weigh you down, because the things that worked for you previously, or the things that did not work for you previously, are not the same things that are gonna appear in a different business. Okay, I'm so sorry if you keep hearing noise. People are up here trying to do whatever they're doing, but please keep up with me. Sorry, I'm here telling you so much about my business, and that's not why we're here. Okay, so how about we just dive right into the video, okay, so that we don't make this video long. Also, I'll be talking as I have my notes here, so I'll be talking as I prepare my face. I'm not even preparing my face at a lot. Sorry, I dropped my pencil. I'm just doing a basic look. Recently nimekuwa such a naturalist, like nacharanga eyebrows na hiyo story inaisha hivyo. So let's dive right into the video. Once again, you're saying this, Diana. I don't know what's up with you. But anyway, I feel like this eye pencil is a little bright. Can you see how bushy my eyebrows is? They're ghetto. As if having a broken nail is not enough, I have bushy. Hey, I have bushy eyebrows. My God, the ghetto. D, what is this? You are embarrassing yourself. Anyway, you guys just bear with me. Just follow to venye nachoranga hizi eyebrows zangu. By the way, kuchora eyebrows is the easiest thing. Okay, it looks complicated, but it's not. You just need to know how your eyebrows are shaped, and voila, you have it. This barely took me 30 seconds. Okay, 30 seconds ni kidogo. But you get what I mean. Anyway, this is not even the correct eyebrow pencil that I use. But anyway, it's okay, whatever. So let's dive right into the video. So number one, I am unlearning to stop being too nice and care a little less. Why am I saying this? I'm saying this because I've always been the nice person. I've always wanted to be like a bigger person. Every time someone does something to me, I want to be the nice one. I'll be like, oh, I'm sorry, you know, and that's why I think even in my previous relationship, someone was able to do the heck they did to me, because I'm overly nice. And I remember talking about this with my therapist, and he was like, you need to stand up for yourselves and such, but you need to know that this is something that I have completely unlearned. You know, like, I don't have to be nice. Like, what is wrong? Like, I was listening to Baineka the other time, and if you know me, you know I'm currently obsessed with Baineka. Like, that babe has no chills, and she's completely amazing. And me, I just like her vibes, because she is a complete ball of good energy, and she is superb. She's just phenomenal. And she was talking about how we shouldn't give chills. Like, I mean, these streets, maze, they are whatever they are. And you can only be too nice, you know? Like, umekuwa tu the nicest person. Sometimes I'm more kasirika, akuwa the bad person. Kwani what does it have to be not nice? Anyway, I hope you understand what I mean though. So the other thing I'm also unlearning is, I'm unlearning not to feel bad for failing someone over something that I have no control over. Bruh, the serenity prayer, what does it say? Help me to accept the things that I cannot change. Bruh, we had agreed we are going to meet at such and such time, and I don't make it. Sorry if I keep looking at this side. This is where my kidogo makeup is at. You know, and I'm sorry, I can't make it for such and such reasons, and I am sorry I couldn't make it, because these are things that I could not avoid, because I really wanted to come, and now I cannot make it. Aki vegero, ebuwana malina finya concealer. Nini pro concealer, it's the legal. Sijui ni namba ngapi. Mimi nimekuwa nikitumia for the longest time. There's a time I was told it's slightly lighter, but nilikuwa nimebuy a whole whatevs, and I was not trying to get another concealer, and for me it looks like it worked, so I figured why not keep it anyway. So as I was saying, I am unlearning not to feel bad for failing someone. Sometimes I feel really bad when I'm not able to be there for someone and I really wanted to. And sometimes I am failing them because I know it's easy to avoid your situation, you know. So I am unlearning to not feel bad. Like, sis, here's the control, and that's just about it, okay? Yeah, even for you, come on, I'm feeling the same car, Mimi. You see how nice I am? That's the nicest that I want to unlearn. Okay, I have unlearned, well, the better part of it, but I am still learning. Kai nimejifunika. Can you guys see? Don't worry, this girl is not a makeup artist. Kama tuko hapa tuna clown. Si clown tafadhali. Yeah, so you hear what I'm saying. So I'm not able to, I am unlearning to not be mad or feel so bad to an extent that I am here over apologizing. So that's the other thing that I am unlearning, okay? The other thing I am unlearning is that I don't owe anyone an explanation. Bruh, I could decide I'm not showing up at that church anymore. So please, I don't owe anyone an explanation. I could decide I'm not coming to your place ever again, and I don't owe you an explanation. I could decide to cut you off, and I don't owe you an explanation. Unasikia? So please, this is another thing I am unlearning. So if I move on with my life without explaining no shit to you, just know it's one of the things I am unlearning, and the society never taught me how to unlearn these things. And it's such a shame because Yani, I've realized in this life, I've been giving so much to people that are not even worth it in my life. Like, nimekuwa give so much of myself. Like, I've been the most reliable human being, and people have not been coming through for me when I most needed them. So, me, I don't see a point of being always the nice person. Like, me, I'm unlearning to do that, by the way. Because, these streets are ruthless. These streets are just on another level. So me, if I move on without explaining to you the heck happened, please understand I have been explaining a lot in this life and nothing has been happening because these streets have been completely ruthless. Okay, so if I don't explain no shit to you, also move on with your life. We move on pia na life yako, tuendelee tukisonga, because who wants to keep explaining to people that care nothing about them? Unajua, so hiyo ni life. Umeona venye nimechora eyebrows, pole, mi sijui ku multitask, niko hapa all over the place. Just follow whatever you can see. Okay? Anyway, so have you heard me? So if I'm not explaining anything to you anymore, just know it's one thing that I'm unlearning, and I'm not trying to explain anything to you, okay? Great, perfect. Okay, the other thing I am unlearning is I am unlearning not to be the bigger person. You remember my first point about being nice? Hey, because mimi nimekwanga the bigger person, mimi ndo nataka ku solve issues all the time, mimi ndo nataka ku, you know, mimi ndo nataka ni try to confront issues so that it works out, so that we can be friends again, or so that he can remain my boyfriend or whatever. Hey, I am done being the bigger person because y'all have been out here taking me for granted, and Aki, all these points sounds like I'm turning to be a horrible person. That's me being nice again, but really I'm not turning to be a horrible person. You know why? Because I mean, I've been doing all these things, and I know the Bible says mtaki kuchapa hii kofi ingine uturn this other side. Me, by the way, nidirare mo rekene mo, thy Lord helpeth me, because these streets zinataka sijui the ghetto in these streets, and sijui yani hadi my friends wako, like bruh, as if breaking off an engagement is not enough. Even your friends wants to be douche. Paka, you're wondering, who are these people that I've been hanging out around with? But anyway, it sounds like I'm coming from a place of heart. Please don't get me wrong. No, I am not coming from a place of heart. It's more of disappointment and choosing myself. You know, I am choosing myself a lot more right now, okay? And if it sounds rude, honey boo boo, I am sorry. Walk off, walk away, okay? Anyway, so the other thing is, I am unlearning that is 100% okay to not understand what someone is going through and be like, I totally can't relate. What do I mean by this? What I mean is, sometimes someone will tell you, oh, you know, I've lost such and such, and I always wanted to be that person who understands what that person is feeling, but I'm realizing, Diana, you cannot save the world, okay? You cannot save the world. So I'm learning to choose myself time and time again. So if anything, if for example someone has lost someone, or someone is in a bad relationship, or someone is hurting for whatever reason and I cannot relate to that, I'd be like, sorry honey, you're going through this, but I can't relate, but I pray that you get to a place where you get healing, you know. And I am unlearning it's really okay to not understand what people are going through, okay? Because I possibly haven't gone through everything in this life, okay? There are things I cannot relate at all. So it's also important to know that, okay? This is me speaking to myself. I want to watch this video 2 years to come and be like, Dee, you made it, you did it, you unlearned these things and you've continued to choose yourself, okay? I'm doing this for me, by the way, but most importantly for you to share with me the things that you are unlearning as an adult, okay? Great. And then the other thing I am unlearning, this is actually second to last. Yeah, second to last. The other thing I am unlearning, oh, my eyebrows are done, fam. I don't know if you can you see that? Sasa, what I do, where is my brush? What I do, sorry, iliamua kwa nguo huko chini. So what I do after nimeshachora eyebrows, I pitisha this brush before I pitisha this brush. It usually has some powder so that I mattify my eyebrows. I tend to sweat a lot around my T-zone, so the more I powder it, the better for me. So yeah, because these days I also like my eyebrows a little faint so that they're not screaming from miles away, and then they look a little natural, you know, such and such. So yeah, I mean, by the way, I don't apply a lot of makeup these days. Makeup atunapaka tu, just some basic stuff, but I need to do like a makeup video, a good makeup video, niache drama, and then we learn together, sindio? Yeah, because previously I'm not even that much of a makeup person, but I try and look nice. Okay, so as I was saying, I keep dropping the brush. I don't think I need it anymore anyway right now. Okay, so the other thing I am unlearning is to be less anxious when I haven't achieved the things I hope to achieve in a certain time. Kai, talk of anxiety, talk of stress, talk of pressure. Mina kusho, I was this human being who was full of anxiety anytime that I haven't achieved my goals. For example, I had goals for July and I realized I've only achieved like half of them, you know, and sometimes it puts so much pressure in me that I become dysfunctional, and I am unlearning to calm down in the middle of a storm. Hey, I mean, my friends will tell you that I am not one that works under pressure. Like, mimi pressure itakuja, I'm the one that sits. Like, my adrenaline inaniyafanyanga, I just sit. Niko on panic mode and I am not able to function as well. So I am unlearning to not be anxious. You understand? So what I am learning is to be calm in the middle of a storm, okay? And I am so grateful for this, because even though I did not achieve, because even for this business, you know, I am working and I was also trying to set up this business, and trying to outsource for everything in this house wasn't easy, because number one, you want quality. Number two, you want things that are going to serve you. And number three, you need to be unique. Personally, I don't know. Like I like unique stuff, and I'm sure you understand what I mean if you're close to me. I like unique stuff. So trying to get that also wasn't a bed of roses, and it's been such a hassle, but I'm grateful that everything worked out correct and that everything was beautiful and it turned out perfect. I will show you a tour next time so that we can see what my B&B looks like in general and the dates of what I got where and such and such and such. And on to our last thing. The last thing that I am unlearning is Diana and Jerry, is that I am unlearning not to throw tantrums. I am unlearning to not throw tantrums. What is this now? To not throw tantrums. Oh, I understand what I meant. What I meant is sometimes it's good to call someone out. For example, umeenda kwa restaurant. You know me, I used to be that person mwenye anatulia. Like, I don't want story mingi, nimetulia tu, sitaki tu kusumbuliwa and such. Like, you know, I like a zen moment. I am this calm human being and I'm very polite. So I realized people are taking advantage of that. Ati umeambia waiter, for example, you've ordered food and then they keep serving other people, and then it's like they've forgotten about you and you just seated there calmly waiting and they don't even seem to care. You see even how out of courtesy someone just comes and tells you, oh, your food is gonna be ready in 5 minutes. Can I bring you a drink or such and such? Hey, utaitisha order, uende ukae. Usome kitabu 5 pages, 10 pages, mtu bado anangojea chakula. That is very rude. I don't like that. And I used to be the calm person, but these days I'm learning to call someone out on such a behavior. And this is not only in restaurants, but also even with my friends. Like, if I don't like something, I'm gonna tell you, sorry, that's a trigger, or no, I don't like that. Usually, I used to be that person who is like, it's not important. Do I want to be the one who's gonna argue about such and such? But I also realized that if I allow someone to speak to me like that or tell me such things, I am showing them how to treat me, and I want to be treated correctly, and that's not the way you want to be treated. I don't know if you know, if you understand what I mean, but basically that's that. I mean, I am not out here trying to allow someone to overstep my boundaries if I don't, and like, if you're going to overstep my boundaries, or even my friend, do you even respect me? Do you even love me as it is? So I have learned to not throw tantrums. I am unlearning to not throw tantrums. It's not cool. Sometimes you need to throw a tantrum here and there. If your friend has wronged you and has crossed your boundaries, throw a tantrum, sis. Throw a tantrum. Like, it's not the end of the world if you try to throw a tantrum. They will understand that you really mean what you mean. And you are going to live a happy life. And you're going to be an exciting human. And you're going to be amazing. Okay? So, I clearly can't multitask. Mmenotice hivyo. Nilimaliza kuchora eyebrows nikasahau kulay edges. But anyway, I lay my edges with my nice and lovely styling gel. Trust me, this is the bomb. And I'm using a regular toothbrush. One that I used to use a while back and then kanichokesha. So that's what I'm using. I use this styling gel. This nice and lovely styling gel. The clear one. The one with an extra firm hold. This thing is a lifesaver. Trust me, nimetumia hizo eco gel sijui what bra. Trust me when I tell you this is the best nini for your edges. This is the part where I need a mirror. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you have an amazing week. I hope your week is going to be fruitful. And tell me the things that you are unlearning as an adult. Like maze, some of these things we don't grow up knowing. Tunakuja ku discover such things when we are very old. A whole 26-year-old aji ata, like, when someone is overstepping their boundaries. That's crazy. That's a little crazy. But anyway, guys, let me finish laying my edges and then wait for my friend. She's supposed to come over and then I take her out for lunch. Nilimwambia hakuna bash. She will see this video and laugh. But anyway, that's what you do to amazing friends. You take them out on dates and such and such. yeah, I'm not that rich. Simpeleki ati yang Sankara sijui wapi sijui picnic ya 20,000. Why? I just started a business, so I am very broke. Pesa yangu yote iko kwa stock. Yeah, so bye guys. I will do a thumbnail where my edges ziko laid zinakaa bomb because I look a little crazy. And I want to say thank you so much for watching this video. Have a wonderful week. Be amazing. Also, don't allow people to step on you. Siache watu wa kutreat kimalenge malenge. You are an awesome person. You are a beautiful person. You deserve the best. And there is one thing, Kamsi Namani. Her name is Kamsi. She's a Nigerian YouTuber. She says, honey, you are the prize. Okay, you are the prize. Let nobody tell you nothing. Okay, so yeah, so I have to love you. We have to do that signature thingy. I have to love you and leave you. Till next time, I have been your kelele person. What am I saying? But anyway, guys, thank you so much. Please, my name is Kikuyu. I am out here saying please. Anyway, what else? Thank you so much for being here. God bless you. I love you and I appreciate everything that you've been doing in terms of sharing my content, in terms of the comments. You guys, even though I throw a video once, at least you guys give me at least 100 views. And I am so proud that you guys are working with me through this journey. And let's grow, let's evolve. Watch a 2 years later and we're like, sis, hey, to me grow, you know, and that's the kind of growth I admire. That's the kind of growth I want you to experience as well. So again, I have to love you and leave you. Bye until next time. Ciao, ciao. Mwah. Bye.